So, hi friends, I'm Karmit, and this time we are going towards Dil Dilli and
दिल्ली रे तू रोर मचा ओ दिल्ली रे तू रोर मचा
so let's discuss about the Delhi Capitals and their retentions, releases, reserves, and trades because they have done two of them. So let's start with the releases. They have released main of their fast bowlers, Indian fast bowlers, and some foreign players as well. So they have released Mohit Sharma, Daniel Sams, Sandeep Lamichhane. They were big names like these. Also Harshal Patel and Kimo Paul. Many fast bowlers they have released. फिर भी उनके पास fast bowling baggage बहुत है. Tushar Deshpande and the two names that I mentioned, Harshal Patel and Daniel Sams, they have been traded towards RCB. So they'll also be counted as a release only because they have left them out and said them tata bye bye. So now let's start making their set 11. So first the openers, they have a great Indian core at the top 4. First at the opening spot there will be one of Prithvi Shaw or Ajinkya Rahane. Any one of them, doesn't matter, will change by time. Preferably I would start with Prithvi Shaw. Ajinkya Rahane is a bit steady, clean, while Prithvi Shaw is raw, explosive, full free, and he doesn't have any kind of pressure to get into the team because he's young. He'll get into the team by time because of the talent that he has. So Prithvi Shaw alongside Shikhar Dhawan opening the batting. Shikhar Dhawan will surely be there. He had a great season last year, so he'll be their primary batsman. At 3 and 4 is their main young core, Indian young core, that is Shreyas Iyer and Rishabh Pant, the captain and the wicket keeper. Shreyas Iyer is the captain, so he'll surely play. He likes to play at number 3. एंड पंत को मैं चाहूँगा नंबर 4 पर खिलाना. उनको आप ढकेले ना नीचे, क्योंकि उनकी एक सबसे बढ़िया पारी जो आई थी आईपीएल में, वो कौन सी पारी में आई थी? 2018 अगेंस्ट सनराइजर्स एंड हैदराबाद. कौन से नंबर पर आई थी वो? नंबर 4 पर 128 रन. वो अपने शुरू में थोड़ा टाइम लें, ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा गेंदें खेलें, या आप पूरी टीम चाहती है. सो play him at 4, Stoinis at 5. At 6 I am having Shimran Hetmeyer. आपको एक ओवरसीज रिप्लेसमेंट चाहिए इन दोनों की. 2 ही ओवरसीज स्लॉट्स हैं, तो इन दोनों की एक एक आपको रिप्लेसमेंट चाहिए होगी. तो मेरे लिए स्टॉइनिस की रिप्लेसमेंट है मोजेस ऑनरिकेज या कैमरन ग्रीन में से एक. प्रेफरेबली मोजेस ऑनरिकेज, क्योंकि हमने लिमिटेड ओवर क्रिकेट में अभी कैमरन ग्रीन के इतने हाई लेवल पर देखा नहीं है, उनको परखा नहीं है. मोजेस ऑनरिकेज इज एन एक्सपीरियंस्ड बैट्समैन, plays in the T20Is, has played for RCB, SRH and many other teams. So he'll be the preferable backup for Marcus Stoinis. And for Shimran Hetmeyer, my backup is, first I thought about Matthew Wade, but considering the BBL performance of Daniel Hughes as captain, taking the responsibility, taking the pressure, batting in the middle order for the Sixers and taking them to the IPL, having that sense of responsibility when James wins his set at 98, he played that 19th over slowly so that he can complete his 100. So that is a sense of responsibility and a sense of leadership that he has, that he can provide to the young captain Shreyas Iyer as well, and a really nice batsman at 6 as well. At 7 they'll have Akshar Patel, at 'll have Ravichandran Ashwin. You'll think, where is Mishra? Mishra would come because their home ground, जैसे कहते हैं, उनका किला है फिरोशा कोटला, जहाँ पर स्पिनर्स चाहिए आपको. कम से कम 3 स्पिनर्स खिलाऊंगा मैं, क्योंकि मेरे पास ज़रूर होंगे नोकिया, रबाडा और स्टॉइनिस. तो 3 स्पिनर्स मेरे को लगता है मैं खिला सकता हूँ. अगर मेरे पास एक भी पेसर कम होता है तो फिर मेरे को एक इंडियन पेसर खिलाना पड़ेगा. बट आई हैव 3 पेसर्स, सो आई विल इक्वल दैट विथ 3 स्पिनर्स. So I'll go in with 6 bowlers. So at 7 I'm having Akshar, and at 8 I'm having Ashwin. At 9 I'm having Andrik Nokia, and at 10 I'm having Kagiso Rabada. Now at 11 I'm having Amit Mishra. I thought about Ishant Sharma at first, but then I thought about the Firozshah Kotla Stadium. So I thought Amit Mishra any day. He's an absolute IPL legend, the greatest Indian IPL bowler. So he has to be there. And now let's talk about the reserves. First one is Lalit Yadav, really strong Indian middle order batsman, really nice for Delhi in the Syed Mushtaq Ali Trophy. Great fielder. He'll be their 12th man throughout because he's a great fielder. He'll replace Prithvi Shaw many times in between because Prithvi Shaw usually goes back into the pavilion and Lalit Yadav comes in place of him. There is another player called Avesh Khan. There is also Ishant Sharma. He'll have to bench in the starting, but when the matches come at Wankhede and pitches which have pace, so he'll definitely play. Praveen Dubey is another one. He's a spinner, but I would like the experience of Akshar, Ashwin and Mishra, so I'll not play Praveen Dubey. If any one of them get injured or something happens and the match is in a pitch like Chepauk or Delhi, Firozshah Kotla, so I will definitely consider, I'm not saying definitely, पक्की कर दूंगा उनकी जगह, I will consider Praveen Dubey in my team. So that's the talk about Praveen Dubey. They have another player which I think going midway through would surely play. That's Chris Wokes. He's really talented, plays with the bat, really nice with the ball. And in India, these type of players are really appreciated, which can fit in your team as a batsman and can fit in your team as a bowler too. There are very few players like this. Like there's Ben Stokes, there's Jason Holder, and there is someone like Shakib Al Hasan, Moeen Ali. So there are really less players like this. Maybe Hardik Pandya as well when he gets fit and keeps bowling. So I think he'll get there when the pitch has pace. Maybe Hetmeyer will be replaced by Lalit Yadav. He can play there, and Wokes comes in place of somebody like Akshar. So that can also be there because Lalit Yadav can provide that spin as well. Another player that they need is an Indian fast bowler. ये उमेश यादव के पीछे नहीं जा सकते क्योंकि उमेश यादव के पीछे बहुत टीमें जाएंगी क्योंकि इंडियन फास्ट बॉलर रेयर होते हैं ऑक्शन में, क्योंकि मोहम्मद शमी पंजाब ने रिटेन कर लिए हैं, ईशांत शर्मा दिल्ली ने रिटेन कर लिए हैं, जसप्रीत बुमराह मुंबई ने रिटेन कर लिए हैं. तो बड़े बड़े जो गेंदबाज हैं वो तो सारे रिटेन हो चुके हैं. तो उमेश यादव के पीछे जाएंगे सारी टीमें. तो इनके पास पैसे कम हैं, 12 ही करोड़ हैं, 13 करोड़ के आसपास, 12.9 करोड़. सो दे कैन नॉट टारगेट Umesh Yadav. I think they can get someone like Varun Arun or someone like Ankit Rajput. Ankit Rajput has nice height, can bounce the ball, a bit similar to Ishant Sharma, but they need a backup because fast bowlers tend to get injured. So Ankit Rajput or Varun Arun can be someone because they also need foreign middle order batsmen. So they'll have less purse money. So they can go behind the youngsters like Varun Arun and Ankit Rajput. So that was the Delhi Capitals analysis. How did you like it? Please comment and like, share and do subscribe to my channel. Thank you.
पकड़ो मेरा हाथ, कूदो तुम ऊंचाई से, जाएंगे नीचे नहीं और भी ऊंचाई पे, जहाँ पे जीत की पुकार भी सुनाई दे, इस बात की मेरी पूरी जिंदगी का